Good morning! It is early. First, I make hot coffee. The smell is very nice. I sit at the table. The sun is shining today. I am hungry for breakfast. The toast is ready now. Spread yellow butter. This food is crunchy. I wash the dirty dish. Ooh. Whew. Now I pack school lunches. I cut this red fruit. Here is a ham sandwich. Kids like sweet juice. They need to clean hands. Hawks. The boxes are full. The heavy books are inside. Do not forget the pens. The room is not tidy. I fix the soft pillows. Someone left a toy here. It goes in the box. I brush my messy hair. This sweater is warm. What is the date today? We have a plan later. I have many chores. These clothes are dirty. I put them in the machine. Soap cleans the fabric. I start the wash cycle. Ho, ho, ho. This machine is loud. The rug looks good now. I am thirsty after working. I find my car keys. Whoa, bow ties. I walk to the door. I open the lock. The air is cool. That is my red car. I unlock the door. Lock the door. Safety is very important. The engine starts now. I hold the wheel. Ow. I see green trees. Green trees. The light is red. Green means go. Go. near the walk. Goodbye. Have fun. I listen to music. Oh, bye. This song is happy. Oh. I park the car perfectly. I walk to the building. I wait for the lift. I go up to floor 5. 5. The hall is long, long. Ooh, this is my work desk.